Alright, today we're going to look at undoing a percentage change, so going backwards to what things were before a change happened. This really depends on you having grasped the previous techniques. If you didn't follow the last one, this will be tricky for you, so make sure you've sorted that out first before attempting this. So here we've got some farmer whose crop's been caught a blight, which has taken out 27% of their crop, so they only harvested 2,700 tonnes. What were they expecting to harvest before this blight destroyed some of their crop? The thing here to remember is the difference between the story that happened and what we're going to work out. The numbers and the maths all apply to what actually happened, which means that this number is the end of a result, it's the after. This is not 100%. Okay? The change that happened was this destruction, so that means there's less than it was before. So this story is about things being reduced. It's about the size of the crop being reduced. So the reduction is a subtraction. It's getting less than 100%. So our first step is going to be the 100% take 27%, which I think is 73%. So we are left with 73% of something. The thing we don't know yet, but it's 73% of something. So 0.73 lots of something is this 2743 number. Using some simple algebra now, how do I get rid of this 0.73 times? Well, to undo that, get rid of that, we're going to divide by 0.73. So our unknown is 2743 divided by 0.73. Okay, and that division will inverse this multiplication, which means it will take us back to the start. And if we put that through the calculator, we get 2743 divided by 0.73, and that is 3757 point something. Let's round that to one decimal place, two decimal places. Let's go for 2. So that is 3757.53 tonnes. So even though this number is larger than that number, it's not a percentage increase question. The thing that happened here was the destruction of a crop, a decrease. It's a decrease question. We're just doing it backwards, and that's where the division creeps in, the backwards nature, the undoing. So we're not making it bigger, we're unshrinking, which is a slightly different thing. So in a similar way here, we've got a company's profits have increased. So this is an increase question. We're just doing it backwards because we want to know what happened before. So what were its profits last year? So up 3%. We should all be happy now that that gives us this decimal as being important. That's 3% over 100%. We're working with this number from the question. And we are not doing a 3% increase. We are undoing a 3% increase. That's going to be division. So I've skipped out all of these steps there and just written down the calculation straight away, which at some point this year you should be able just to do it like that. Do it like this a few times so you get it sorted, but you can get to this calculation in one go. So it's over a whole because it's a grow, an increase question. It's a divide because it's backwards and we're undoing. And that gets us a number we can put through the machine again. 57300 divided by 1.03 is 55,63107. So our answer is 55,631 and 7 pence. And that is how we undo a change in a single step. And it really depends on you being happy getting this multiplier from the normal change questions. Have some fun practicing that this week. Enjoy!